So hey everybody, myself Manzangi and today we are just gonna describe the Aravalli Hills. So if I talk first, so Aravalli Hills are the ancient hills of world, and the length of Aravalli Hills is the 692 kilometer, and it is situated 80% in Rajasthan, and the length of Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan is 550 kilometer, and the highest peak of Aravalli Hills is the Guru Sikar, and length the height of Guru Sikar is 1722 meters.
The Aravalli endest point is the Raisin Padi, and our Parliament House is also situated on the Raisin Padi. And the starting point of the Aravalli Paratmala is the mm, Arab Sagar, Gujarat, and this is the oldest range of our India, and this is 2.5 billion years old. Now I would like to ask question from the Naman. So Naman, what is the importance of Aravalli?
So dear, if I talk, so Aravalli Hills are there are so many benefits of Aravalli Hills. So Aditya, there are so many benefits of Aravalli Hills. The Aravalli Hills is the ancient hill, and it stops the pollution of Delhi to coming in Rajasthan. So Aditya, there are so many benefits of Aravalli Hills. If I talk first, so it stopped the pollution of Delhi to coming in Rajasthan, and if I talk, so it stopped the desertification in India, and it is but by the Aravalli Hills, it is only in Rajasthan.
So Naman, I want to ask that should we cut the Aravalli or not?
So I think we should not cut the Aravalli Hills because there are so many benefits of Aravalli in India,
But
and I told you
according to me, we should cut the Aravalli
why.
because if we cut the Aravalli, so there will very much place, and we can make hospitals for we can make government hospitals for poor, and we can do many things on there.
So dear, I fulminate you because you are telling about hospital. So hospital we can make the hospital in other place. There is India is very big,
But
and the length of the length of Aravalli Hills is not more.
why there is very much place for the Aravalli?
Yeah. So what is the problem? This is it is connected by the nature.
But for stopping the desertification, we can make a wall.
So dear, you are telling, where will go the animals of Aravalli Hills? Tell me.
They
They
can
are living.
they can go in the zoos.
So why should we spend money for this? And the Aravalli Hills, the